Hello friends and welcome to another video of TravelTech. Now this video is about the updated link for the Google Maps which I had shown previously. Now about 2 to 3 months ago I had put up a video regarding how to download and install the Google Maps on the Digipad, and as I have come to know that that particular link is not working right now, and that website up to down is showing somewhat errors and somewhat is not loading on the Digipad properly, and the web page is not loading even when having a good internet connection. So I am putting up a new updated link in order to download and install the Google Maps application in your Digipad, and this video is going to exactly show you how to do that. So let's get started. So as you might have observed, the TravelTech channel is being updated. We have a brand new logo and of course a brand new intro video as well. I hope you guys liked it, and do comment below on how you found out the new logo and the intro video to be. And most of my viewers of my channel, as I have found out, have not subscribed to my channel yet and are just watching it and making use of it. So if you're watching it and not subscribing yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and of course also like the video, and that is going to help me and inspire me to bring out more and more interesting videos. So once that is done, let's just go ahead and show you how to download and install the Google Maps application on your Digipad with the new updated link. Now the first and foremost thing is that your Digipad must be connected to the internet via Wi-Fi, and I have shown previously how to do that, so I need not go into detail regarding that. And of course you also need to have the Firefox browser downloaded and installed on your Digipad. Right now, as you can see, there is a Firefox browser right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on that. So once the home page opens up, just click on the URL search bar and type in the following address, that is bit.ly/TravelTech, that is TravelTech G Maps, GMAPS. So once you type in this address, that is bit.ly/TravelTechGmaps, just go ahead and click on the go button and wait for the web page to load. So if you can see, the Google Maps page of APK Mirror has already uploaded, and right now you just have to scroll down and there is a download APK button right here. So you just have to click on this and wait for the download to begin. So once you have clicked on the download button, it is going to open up a new page wherein you have to click the button where it says here in the orange color. So if you can see, this is the particular link, so just click on the here button and it is going to start the download of Google Maps on your Digipad. So just click on the just once button right here and drop down the menu from the top. So if you can see, the Google Maps application is being downloaded and the progress is being shown on this download progress bar. And of course my Wi-Fi connection is also being shown and the data transfer rate is also being shown. So if you want this in your Digipad, if you want to see the data transfer rate and the connectivity strength of your internet connection, go ahead and check out my channel. I have put in a detailed video regarding the internet speed meter for Digipad, so you can get this in your Digipad as well. So right now let's just wait for the Google Maps to download completely so that we can go ahead and install it on the Digipad. So the download has completed right now and it is showing a download complete status on the Firefox browser. So let's just go ahead and click on the download complete dialog box. And now it is going to ask to install the Google Maps application, so you just have to go ahead and click on the install button. So the application has installed, so let's just go ahead and click on the open button right now. Initially it is going to take some time to load because it has to connect to the internet and of course download the maps from the internet. So just go ahead, click on the accept button and click on the never show this again also, and then click on the skip button. So once you have done that, you can click on the GPS icon on top of the screen. So now it is going to focus in on my location right now, and Google Maps has loaded, as you can see. Now this has been downloaded using the new link. The previous link was not working, it was not up to date, and the website up to down has been taken off, as I have seen, and many of my subscribers have informed me. So this video is regarding the new updated link, and right now, as you can see, I downloaded the Google Maps using the updated link on the Digipad using a Firefox browser. Now, as I presume, many of you will face a parsing error while downloading via Firefox. That is because of some certain incompatibility issues. Now, in case if you are facing a parsing error once you download and try to install the Google Maps, I'm going to just go ahead and show you one alternate way to download and install it on your Digipad in case the Firefox browser method is not working for you. So if you can see, the Google Maps is up and running and the latest maps are showing on the Digipad screen right now. So this is one good thing. So next thing which I wanted to show you, as I said, so let's just get back and I'll show you what to do. Just open up the micro SD card slot on your Digipad in case you have a micro SD card put into the Digipad. So if you have a micro SD card slot, just open up the cover of the micro SD card slot and remove the media SD card which is placed on the left side. So just click down on the SD card and just open it out. It will pop out and easily you can take it off of your Digipad. So once that is done, the next thing which you need to do is go and access a laptop or a personal computer. So I'll just go ahead and I'll show you how you can download the Google Maps on this pen drive, on this SD card, and you can install it on the Digipad. So let's just go ahead. So guys, as you just saw, I removed the SD card from the media folder, from the media socket of the Digipad, and right now I have inserted into one of my card readers. So this is a card reader which has been attached with a USB OTG dongle. So I'm just going to remove the OTG dongle and I'm going to use the card reader only. So this is the card reader, and you need to also get a card reader like this in order to download and install it via the SD card method. Once you get a card reader, just insert the SD card into the card reader and plug it into your laptop or your personal computer, whichever one you may have. So once you have inserted that, let's just go ahead and open up the Google Chrome browser. So the Google Chrome browser has opened up. So once this opens up, then go ahead and type in the same address which you typed into the Digipad so that you can open up the website. That is bit.ly/traveltech gmaps. So this is the URL address which you need to type into the URL address of the Google Chrome browser. So once you have done that, just hit the enter button and wait for that web page to load. So if you can see, the same web page which opened up in the Digipad also opens up in the laptop or the system as well. So there is a download APK button right here. So just go ahead and click on the download APK button. So just click on that and wait for it. So the next page opens up in the same way which it opened up in the Digipad. So you have to click on the here button which you are seeing right now. So yeah, this is the button which you have to click, the here button. So if you just click on that, it is going to ask you which place to save the file. So if you have, I'll just select the desktop button and let's just click on the save button. So right now it is going to download, and I think the download has already completed right there. So let's just minimize this. So there's a file right here. This is the file, the last file which you can see on the screen right now. It has been downloaded. So I'll just go ahead and I'll copy it from the desktop, and then I'll paste it onto the SD card which I just inserted. And here it is showing as USB drive. So this is my SD card which I have inserted into the laptop. As you can see, this is right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on the paste button and make it go inside the SD card from the laptop. So this is it, guys. You have downloaded the app successfully via the laptop or your computer and transferred it into the SD card using a card reader. So now I just currently copied and pasted it on the SD card. So now let's just go ahead and I'll show you how you can install this app from this particular SD card onto your Digipad. So as you guys just saw, I just downloaded the Google Maps app onto the SD card via the laptop, and right now that app is in this SD card. So I'm going to put it back into its slot which I had removed previously. So this is the media slot right there, and I'm going to put it back in. You just have to place it inside and press it in so that it snaps into its position and fits in perfectly. So make sure you place it in a proper angle and the proper side facing, and once it goes inside, just plug it in and it stays there right away. So once that is done, just close up the cover properly, and now it is accessing the SD card. As you can see, as soon as I fit it inside, it's going to access the SD card. So once that is done, make sure that the SD card is working fine by playing some music, and if you can see, the music is playing right now. So let me just go ahead, and for the next step, in order to install the app from the SD card onto the Digipad, make sure you have the ES File Explorer installed in your Digipad. Now this is one of the most basic and the most important app you need to have in your Digipad in order to do any of the such stuff like this. So once, if you have not installed the ES File Explorer yet, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and download ES File Explorer for your Digipad, and you can later, after installing that, you can install any apps whichever you want on your Digipad. So just go ahead and click on the ES File Explorer. So once the ES File Explorer opens up, just click on the three dotted buttons on the left top corner and click on the home page button. So once the home page opens up, there is a word called as external card written right here. So this is basically the USB SD card which I had placed inside the Digipad right now. So just click on this external card. Now as you can see, there is a APK application sitting right here and then, which I had copied from the laptop onto the SD card, and now it rendered as a Google Map application. So just click on that APK button, and now it is going to ask you to install it. So just click on the install button. Now since I have already installed it, it is going to ask me to replace the application, so I'm just going to click OK. But in case if you're doing it for the first time, it is not going to ask for a replace application dialog box. It will directly open up in a way like this in order to install the Google Maps on your Digipad. So if I go ahead and click on the install button, it won't give any sort of a parsing error, it won't give any sort of a downloading error or an installation error. It is going to install properly, neatly and efficiently on the Digipad. So make sure, in case if you're having a parsing error while following the method from the Firefox browser, you just follow this second method which I just showed you right now, and as you can see, the application has installed. I'll just click on the open button just to show you that the application installed from the SD card and now is working properly. So there you go, the SD card has installed the Google Maps application, and the Google Maps is up and running on my Digipad. It is showing my location also, and it is showing that it is accurate up to 1 meter. So there you go. This is the way you can download and install Google Maps on your Digipad. This is the new updated link. Now I'm posting this video because the older link is not working, and some of you who have been trying to download via using the older link will face in difficulties, there is an error in the download. So make sure you go ahead and use this new link, and of course try the second method of downloading via the laptop which I just showed you right now, in case you you face a parsing error while downloading onto the Digipad directly. And if you want to navigate onto some position, if you're going to navigate, you start using the Google Maps to navigate, you cannot use it directly in the Google Maps. You have to click on the app section, and there is a dedicated navigation button right here. So if you click on the navigation button, it is going to help you in navigating to some position or some location wherever you want to go. So you cannot directly navigate as you can use in your smartphone. The Google Maps won't work that way in Digipad. So in case you want to navigate to certain location, you have to use the dedicated navigation app which has been installed along with the Google Maps, so that you can navigate to any position. So that is one drawback of using this older version of Digipad in the Digipad, older version of the Google Maps in the Digipad, but nevertheless it still works, and you still get to use the Google Maps as you like. So there you go, the navigation is up and running, and Google Maps is up and running on the Digipad, although it's a older version. There you go guys, this is TravelTech, and this is the new updated link for your Google Maps downloading and installation. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked my effort which has gone behind in making this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and also comment below on how you found out this video to be. And of course we have upgraded our new logo, and there's a new intro video as well. Also comment below and tell me how you found out the TravelTech new logo and intro video, how you found out that also to be. This is TravelTech signing off, and have a really nice day.